Okay. All right. Ike, go ahead.
I just want to talk about uh, the argument between my sister Isimiri and Mama Esho. Um, as long as personally I'm concerned, you do not legitimize illegality on the basis of forgiveness. And I don't know what we are forgiving about because the people or the person you want to forgive have not told you he has offended you. So we cannot, because of sentiment, we say, let's move on. Nobody, I'm not moving on. The reason is very simple. For the past 8 years, Nigeria has touched each and every one of us in one way or the other. We never have a country for 8 years. People are in prison. People are being killed. Nigerians are um, Nigerians are slaves in their own country. Nigerians are refugees in their own country. Nigeria is a lawless country. There is no law. The government in question have never respected any single law that they made. The law that they want you and I to obey, they never obeyed any law. So we don't have a country. They have been killing us for the past 8 years. So this time around is not different. So what I'm trying to say is this. Nigeria will move on, but we're only going to move on after the court case. And also, I want to let us know, every time Nigerians will bring the idea, oh, we know Nigerian judiciary is what has been happening today, nothing is going to happen, it's going to be the same. I am telling you, it's never going to be the same. You see this particular case, we're going to determine where Nigeria is going to be after the final judgment of that case. Because this case itself has judged itself. Because you and me and every other person that is talking about this case know the truth. The truth is not hidden. The facts are there. It's not that we're going to go to search part somewhere. The lawyers that are making money, even though inside they know the truth, that are trying to interpret the Constitution for us, they know what the Constitution says. So we cannot let go until the final determination of this case. Because there is no how we that are not in Nigeria right now could say if this is happening where in the country where you live. Look at what is happening to Trump. Even though everybody knows that what he was saying is a lie, but he is not above the law. The law is coming after him. In the US, the whole people that he didn't want them to testify, Pence testified the day before yesterday or yesterday. There is nobody that is above the law. But it's only in your country, my country, that somebody is above the law. The people that are making the law do not obey the law. But they see a young boy with a laptop on the street. They pick you up, they put you in prison, and they forget you forever. But the people that are committing the crime, the people that have abused Nigerians, they are the same people that will come and when they walk on the street, we worship them. We bow down to them. But these are the people that has put me and you in the situation where we have found ourselves. Most of us are living outside right now. I used to say it here. I might decide not to go to Nigeria for the rest of my life. I have nothing to lose. But that does not mean that I don't love my country, because I still have family in Nigeria. I still have friends. I still have colleagues. I still have classmates that live in Nigeria. I want a better life for everybody, where each and every Nigerian will feel safe and secure in his own country. Which country do we have? We don't have a country. A practical example is what is happening in Sudan. Nigeria, of a country, could not remove their people in Sudan Sudan here, and the politicians and the people and the government, if we are talking about right now, are busy doing all that crazy stuff. Why Nigerians are stranded in Sudan? And some of them are left in the desert without no return. What are we talking about in the first place? So please, we will forgive, we will forget, we will move on. But every reconciliation in Nigeria should be based on a solid, truthful foundation. We have to find out the truth. Because it's only when you find the truth. And I, brother, I said, listen, I have accepted and I did this, but I am standing before you and I am apologizing and I am accepting that this is what I did. South Africa, they did it in South Africa. South Africa has moved on. So anybody talking about reconciliation or moving on, what are you moving on to? Where are you going to move into? The same people, the same government, and we say, hey, move on. No, we are not moving on. But I want to tell you, see, the Nigerian judiciary, this will be the last straw of Nigerian judiciary. If there is any miscarriage of justice in this particular case, you are going to see a different Nigeria. So anybody who is telling you, no, it's Nigeria, we will always move on. No, I am telling you, my brothers and sisters, it's no more like that. Nigerians and the youth and the new generation of Nigeria have decided they are going to take their country through every legal means. And that is what's going to take place. And I want to end by telling you that if there is miscarriage of justice after this, if anybody who is the president of Nigeria will never, ever be my president, never will that person be my president. I don't care. What I want is that let every single vote, every politician got, let the vote be counted. If Kwakwanso win, he becomes our president. We honor him. If it is Tinubu that win, we honor him. If it is Mr. Peter Obi win, we honor him. If it is Atiku that wins, we honor him. What I am saying, and every Nigerian is saying, count the votes. Let the vote of Nigerian be counted. Whosoever wins, we congratulate the person. That's where we stand. And I think that I am speaking the minds of about not more than 95% of Nigerians, that we're not talking about right now who wins. Let that vote that was cast, let it be counted. And let whosoever that wins the election declare the winner of the election. Not based on illegality, not based on